How to treat insomnia, what to do for a better night's sleep. Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning, losing sleep over anxiety, stress, or worry? If so, you're not alone, as 1 in 3 adults do not get the recommended number of hours of sleep per night. Often considered a luxury, getting a solid night's sleep is critical to enjoying good overall health, both mental and physical. Moreover, the mental relaxation achieved by a good night's rest cannot be obtained by any other means. Fortunately, it only takes a few simple steps to substantially improve not only the quantity of your sleep, but also its quality. These easy-to-use guidelines, collectively known as sleep hygiene, are backed by science and the millions of individuals who have put them to the test. Sleep hygiene tells you what to do, but more importantly, what not to do. Sleep hygiene, what to do. Establish a sleep ritual before going to bed. Try to follow the same basic routine each night before falling asleep. Wind down during the last 1 or 2 hours prior to going to sleep, avoiding such things as vigorous exercise or mental activity, as well as any verbal conflicts. Take a hot bath or shower before bedtime. Reduce ambient noise. If necessary, use earplugs, a room fan, or white noise machine. Keep your bedroom well ventilated, with room temperature between 65 and 70 degrees to better maintain sleep quality. If your spouse or partner has a tendency to snore, kick, or tosses and turns, consider using separate beds. It is best, of course, to discuss this option with them first. Depending upon your personal preference, pillows should not be too high or overly soft. Your bedroom should be dark with any excess light blocked out. If possible, try to get 20 or more minutes per day of aerobic exercise at midday or late afternoon prior to supper. Should this option not be possible, 45 minutes or so of brisk walking may be substituted. And, most importantly, go to bed and wake up at regular times. Stick to the same scheduled wake-up time and bedtime, even on days when you're off from work or on vacation. This one action will allow your body to develop a regular sleep cycle, as well as a corresponding period of wakefulness. Sleep hygiene, what not to do. Avoid taking long naps during the day, exceeding 1 or more hours in length, as this might interfere with regular sleep-wake cycles. If you do get tired, try taking a power nap that is 15 to 20 minutes long. Quit smoking. Beyond its other well-known health risks, nicotine is also a mild stimulant and may interfere with your ability to sleep. Skip full, heavy meals prior to going to bed. If you're hungry, stick with a modest, healthy snack. Abstain from heavy drinking before bedtime, limit yourself to 1 small glass of wine. Refrain from using your bed for non-sleep activities such as working, reading, or watching television. Shy away from excessive amounts of caffeine. A potent stimulant, caffeine is known to interfere with sleep and should be limited to morning hours. This important rule applies to caffeinated coffee, sodas, tea, chocolates, and many sports or energy drinks. Don't allow yourself to become fearful of insomnia. On some occasions you will not be able to sleep as well as you would like, in spite of your best efforts. It is, therefore, imperative you do not try to fight or resist periods of sleeplessness, as these very actions, in themselves, may act to increase your current anxiety, stress, or worry. Helpful hints. Should you find yourself unable to fall asleep after 20 to 30 minutes, it is best to leave the bed and engage in some activity that you find relaxing. For example, you may wish to sit in a comfortable chair and watch television, read a book, meditate, or try deep breathing. Once you feel yourself become sleepy, it is then okay to return to bed. Consider investing in a new mattress that allows you to change the firmness of the unit. Or, place a plywood board beneath one that is too soft, or use a foam mattress pad for one that you deem to be too firm. If you are bothered by muscle tension, consider using relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. Do bear in mind that everyone is different, so feel free to experiment, changing things up until you can determine what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.